Hello everyone. You know what is Platonic love? How is Platonic love actually defined? So you know something about, actually you know fully about love between people of opposite sexes, one boy and one girl, or a man and a woman. So this relationship is known to you, but the question is, what is Platonic love? And whether is it possible between a man and a woman, or a boy and a girl, whether is it possible or not. So that is the question. So first of all, let's define what is Platonic love. So Platonic love is the friendship or the connection between two people. They may be of opposite sex, they may be of same sex. Means it can happen between two men, again between two women, again between a man and a woman. Any combination is possible. Okay, and their friendship is deep and non-romantic. There is no sexual intent. That means there is no sexual attraction involved between the two. Especially what happens actually, most of the people assume that since the friendship is in between a man and a woman, that means sexual attraction must be there. This is the opinion of common people. Okay, since they belong to opposite sex groups, means I am talking about a boy and a girl, okay. So in that case, sexual attraction must be there. But scientists had the same curiosity and they investigated into this matter. So they used fMRI scans, fMRI brain scans. fMRI means functional magnetic resonance imaging. That is one kind of imaging technique used in the field of medical sciences. So brain scans are done using that imaging technique. And you know that for different type of emotions or feelings, different regions of our brains are responsible. And accordingly, the brain regions are activated. And that can be that thing, which part of your brain is right now activated, that thing can be tested by using fMRI scans. So scientists have done the same thing. They have used fMRI scans to investigate into this matter, especially between a boy and a girl. What happens? So in most of the cases, they have found positive result. What is the positive result? Yes, there is no, means first of all, that boy and girl have claimed that they don't have any sexual desire or sexual intent for each other. Means sexual attraction is absent between them. And then researchers used fMRI scans to investigate into this matter, whether they are right or wrong. And scans showed us, or showed the scientists, the positive result. Yes, the boy and the girl were correct. Because they found the regions in the brain which are activated, those are not related to the regions which normally become activated during those moments. Okay, those moments means I am talking about sexual desires, which involves sexual desires. That means this investigation proves that Platonic love is possible between a boy and a girl, or between a man and a woman. Platonic love is possible. And you know that there are two chemicals or neurotransmitters known as dopamine and oxytocin. Dopamine is known as feel-good chemical, and oxytocin is known as love hormone, okay, or the bonding chemical. And when they combine, and functions of those two chemicals are different. If you talk about dopamine, then it is responsible for motivation, desires and reward. And for oxytocin, it is related to trust. It helps build trust. Oxytocin, okay, strengthens the bond between two people. So when they combine, means dopamine and oxytocin combine, then they do what? They actually reinforces the healthy behavior between them, reinforces healthy behavior. And as well as one more thing they do, emotional bonding. They strengthens the emotional bonding. Though separately their functions are different, but when they combine, they do these things. And one more thing you should keep in your mind, that you are sharing a good moment with your friend, means you are laughing with your friend, or you are sharing a secret, or you feel understood, means you feel heard and understood, and that moment means you are feeling happy. That's why dopamine is releasing. Or if you have the question that dopamine is releasing, that's why you are feeling happy. So what is the answer to this question? Answer to this question is, since you are happy, that's why dopamine is released in your brain. And dopamine is saying at that moment when it is releasing, that dopamine is saying you, this connection is good for you, keep it. A similar thing happens for oxytocin also. Whenever you are trusting someone, at that moment, oxytocin is released. And that oxytocin says you can trust that person. That means both dopamine and oxytocin, they reinforces the same thing for which they are released. They reinforce the same thing, same feeling for which they are actually released. Okay. Anyway, so what was the topic of discussion actually? Whether platonic love is possible between people of opposite sexes or not. So answer to this question is yes, it is possible. But sometimes negative results also were obtained by scientists or the researchers. What is the negative result? Means the couple, or the better to say the boy and the girl, they are claiming that they don't have any sexual attraction between them. Still, if MRI results are showing us that the part of their brain which is responsible for sexual feelings became activated during the investigation, during the scan. That means something is there in our brain which happens unconsciously. Means what is the meaning of that? Means consciously we are saying, or we know, that I don't have any sexual attraction for that girl. Maybe I am honest and I am honestly claiming the same thing. I like her, but I don't have any sexual attraction for her. But unconsciously that is happening in your brain. And that is detected by the fMRI scan. It may so happen. Anyway, so this was all about today's discussion. If you have any queries related to this, so you can write in the comment. And what, if you liked this video, so please in that case share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.